Lockstar's Smart Deadbolt is marketed as an all-rounder that aims to cover every access scenario: fingerprint, app control, keypad, card fob, and a traditional key. The Amazon listing calls this a great pick for rental properties because it includes a Wi-Fi gateway bridge in some bundles. That means true remote control is possible right out of the box. Because prices vary by bundle and whether the gateway is included, check the live Amazon price via the buy link in the description. We share buy links in description box. Features highlighted on the page include event history via the app, autolock, easy DIY installation, Lockstar claims you'll only need a screwdriver, and multi-method entry, handy if different family members prefer different unlock methods. From the customer reviews and Q&A, buyers tend to appreciate the inclusion of the Wi-Fi gateway when present, and the scope of unlock options, fingerprint speed, and the app logs get positive callouts. Complaints often center on the software side, occasional connectivity or firmware glitches, and a few users telling stories about needing to contact support for setup help. Overall pros: feature-rich package, gateway inclusion for remote control, wide range of access methods. Cons: software network reliability can be hit or miss, and sometimes customer support response times vary. On camera, I'd recommend Lockstar if you want a single unit that covers biometric, keypad, and cloud-connected control, especially for property management, but test the app carefully after install and keep a physical key or backup plan. Links in the description. We share buy links in description box.